Hello, welcome to GalaxyWatchers, where we embark on a captivating journey through the cosmos. In this video, we'll take you by the hand and introduce you to the wonderful world of stargazing. So, let's dive in. Picture yourself on a clear, starry night. The first step to stargazing is finding a dark spot away from city lights, where the stars shine their brightest. As your eyes adjust to the darkness, a whole new universe reveals itself above. Look up, and you'll notice patterns of stars forming constellations. These celestial artworks have fascinated humans for centuries. The Big Dipper, Orion, and Cassiopeia are just a few examples. Can you spot them? Now, let's talk about our closest neighbor in space, the Moon. Its phases change throughout the month, from the new moon to the full moon and everything in between. Each phase offers a unique experience for stargazers. Wow! Meteor showers. These stunning displays of shooting stars happen when the Earth passes through debris left by comets. During a meteor shower, find a cozy spot, lie back, and make a wish upon the falling stars. To enhance your stargazing experience, consider getting a telescope. These marvelous instruments allow you to explore celestial objects in more detail. From the craters on the moon to the rings of Saturn, a telescope opens up a whole new world. Don't forget to bring a star map or a smartphone app to help you navigate the sky. These tools guide you in identifying constellations, planets, and other fascinating objects above. Stargazing is not just about observation. It's about connecting with the vastness of the universe, contemplating our place within it, and finding a sense of awe and inspiration. So get ready to embark on your own stargazing adventure. Look up, explore, and let the beauty of the night sky ignite your imagination. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more celestial wonders. Until next time, keep looking up and keep exploring the wonders of our galaxy.